In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create about us menu on WordPress website. So after watching this video, you are able to create about us page on WordPress websites. Without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, you can see this is my website. If I refresh this website, you can see here are no menu bar. I want to create a menu bar here right now. First of all, you need to click on page, then click on add new page. Now here are write which type of page you want to write now. So about us. Okay, now just click on publish. Again click on publish. Just view page. You can see it's already added on my website. Here are everything I will add later. You can see how I add about us section. So this is a method how you can add about us on WordPress website. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.